Happy birthday po.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. I just want to give my message. Actually, wala po akong naihandang message, but from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. From day one, hindi niyo po ako tinuring na iba. Ano po kasi parang I did not experience how is it to grow up with a complete family. But God is really so good kasi po nung napunta po ako sa Carlos family, that was the time that I experienced how is it na magkaroon po ng isang complete family. So, si Daddy Kaloy at si Mami Ana, grabe po sila magmahal. They give more than what they can. And they do it without expecting anything in return. Maraming salamat po. Sana po na-appreciate niyo po yung ito pong simple way of giving back po namin is galing po talaga sa puso. And ang dami pong nagmamahal sa inyo. I guess everyone could attest how kind you are. And wala po kaming masasabi kung di maraming salamat po. Yung si RJ po, kagabi pa lang wala po siyang tulog. Nandito siya. He's the owner of Beat Pro Lights and Sounds. And talagang kinareer niya yung setup for tonight. And si Ate Ting naman, they made the beautiful cake. And it took them how many days to create such beautiful cake. So, palakpakan din naman natin po sila. And of course, to all the people who helped us make this event possible, sa akin po mga kaibigan na talagang hindi nagpabayad ng professional fee. To Attorney Jai, galing lang po yan ng London with his husband, Juan. Came here all the way from London. Thank you for sharing your talent. Siya po yung pregnant kanina, but talagang total performer pa rin. And of course, Doreen and Ron Coronado, CME Pro, Bob Band. Ang TF ng Bob Band ay siguro 50,000, pero talagang binigay niya ng libre for tonight. Thank you so much. Sabi po nila, we understand kapag mahal mo yung magulang mo, you will really give it all. And so they were very supportive when we came up with this plan. Talagang sabi na, go kami dyan kahit malayo, they are from Manila. They came here to celebrate with us. Thank you so much. And of course, to Beat Company dancers, Bot Venosa Makeup, siya po ang nag-makeup sa amin kanina. And all the dancers from Center for Pop Music Philippines, thank you so much. To the Velasco and Tan family, maraming salamat po for coming here tonight. And ano pa ba? Yun lang po, happy birthday po. We really hope that you enjoy the night. You really deserve it po. Maraming salamat and happy birthday po.